Now time for us to, I will show you around. I want you to see the area. You are so happy, right?
No, sausage.
You want more sausages? Oh. You see?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we celebrated the graduation party of Zimbabwe Youth in Action chairman. I hope you guys are going to enjoy in as much as we enjoyed creating this video for you. Yeah, and the journey continues. As you can see, the driveway is very long, but yeah, definitely we will be there soon. Keep on watching. Right now we are approaching the gate where we met this huge ostrich. Guys, the ostrich was so big. I've never seen such a big ostrich like this one. Right now we're inside driving to the dam, yeah, where the rest of the event took place. So we're almost there. Yes, and yeah, talking about the journey alone, it was one of the best because yeah, the guys that I was with, they were so fun, we were enjoying. You see, right here we arrived. Yes, people were getting off their cars and we're already at the dam. Yeah, just greeting each other, you see, meeting family members and stuff. Yes, guys.
And that, what is it? Hello. What are we doing here? I'm a certified partner of Zimpax. I'm also a partner of Ministry of Tourism and the Zimbabwe Tourism Authority. This is our country. We are here to explore the country. We are exploring. Oh, this is actually Haka Game Park. This is called the Haka Game Park. If you take a look behind me, there are a lot of things. You see zebras, what? I don't know Zimbabwe. Why don't you like Zimbabwe? Be involved, my one. Yes, it's okay. Tell them where we are celebrating your graduation party. This is Haka Game Park. Yeah. You know, Haka Game Park is one of the best tourism destinations in Zimbabwe. You know, Zimbabwe is so blessed with natural resources. You know, this is one of those natural resources. If you are not proud of this, what else will you be proud of? We are here to celebrate the country. Celebrate. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Hello, how's it?
Everything's good.
Okay, what are you doing here?
But I just came to relax, to relaxation. There is a vast, a lot of activities with Panapa, canoeing, boat riding. Panapa, Zimbabwe is number one because Neplora, but one of the best destinations and Gamboenda. Kwakanaka mkatuona view yedu ino yatina aiwa kuno kwakanaka.
Oh, thank you so much. What are you doing here? Tumbogocha baba. Yes. Tumbogocha. Kumafura Mepo. So how is Kumafura Mepo going? Are you enjoying? I'm enjoying. I'm really enjoying. It's something else. Wow. I like the things that you are putting on there. So this pork, right? Pork baba. Yes, nguru and chishona. Yes, nguru. Yes, so salad. Chicken and some tataendesa so tuenda kutara. Sara kunguri ya. This is so good. That's so cool. Yeah, very cool. Just see maniga zakatomirira kuti kuisa mkano. Yes, maniga. The people are ready. Yes, this is cool tindo. Mfanani Juni tuenda Chanaswa kule na blazi ayazi msakarongeka. Comrade right muda kutiko baba akona my name is Comrade Sendai Abson Chikwani. I'm the Zimbabwe Youth Action Chairman, and I'm proud member of being a partner of Zimpax, Ministry of Tourism, Zimbabwe Tourism Authority, and everything. So definitely we are here to celebrate the natural resources of our country. It's a very beautiful country. For those who are out of Zimbabwe, I advise.
My name is Liam.
Okay, what are you doing here? So tell me guys, are you having fun? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Oh sure, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Oh. You want to do what?
You want to canoe? You want to go canoeing? Thank you. Okay, you're welcome.
Hi.
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Junior.
What are you doing here?
To eat that.
You're eating fat. So is it delicious? How delicious is it?
It's not delicious.
Oh, that's good. That's cool. Okay.
It doesn't have salty.
Three. Junior Matadi Mataku.
That we've done eating. It's now time for us to. I will show you around. I want you to see the areas, and you can see the speakers are on. Yes, it's time for the party to start. You can see the speakers are on, and everyone is now in happy mood. So yeah, it has been such a great day to us. You have to see the place around, and then you can appreciate the beauty, the natural beauty of Zimbabwe. So show them the dam. This is the dam. Show them around. I want you to. Yes. Also, the guys are enjoying. Yeah. So guys, we are inspiring everyone to visit Zimbabwe because Zimbabwe is such a very beautiful country. It has got a lot of wildlife, natural resources. So where we are, there are a lot of animals. We are going to show you some of them. I think we have some of you have seen it. So yeah, here you can do boat cruising. There are a lot of activities that you can actually do with your family. You can come, you do braai, you can do photo shoots, you can just come for a family gathering. Just come, make sure you spend that little amount, start to save just for visits, just to go around, look around your area. This is Africa. Africa is such a beautiful country. So yeah, thank you so much for this. Hi guys, yes, you can see I'm with the kids right now. So the kids are so happy. Look at the smiles, guys. They are so happy, right?
No,
You want no sausages? You see, guys, yes. So we came here for a braai, and yeah, we had. Yeah. So yeah, the kids are so happy. So one more sausages, right? And the cake, yes, there's everything that you want the cake. Say something.
Thank you for the food that you have given us today.
Yeah, don't worry. The cake is going to come very soon. Yeah. Guys, as you can see right here, yeah, I'm here with my brother. How are you, brother? I'm okay. I'm doing great. So just introduce yourself to the people, and why are you here?
Yeah, the name is Philip. See, on my Instagram handle, I'm Chopper ELT. I'm here for a family function. As you can see, this is what we have in fun with the guys and stuff.
Wow, that's great. Chopper MT.
See, Chopper ELT.
Okay, right, guys. So if you want to follow him, he's called Chopper EMT. So what do you do? Do you sing? What do you do?
I just like doing fashion and things. You can check out the outfit and shit.
Wow.
Yeah, they don't like stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Just for fashion.
Just for fashion.
So people want to fashion just to follow him. Well, he's doing more on Instagram. He's called Chopper MT. Right?
You can follow. Yes.
Really? Corona plates a black madiki mota manya. Good manya.
Say Hollywood. Chairman in Zimbabwe Youth in Action. Congrats, bro. The chairman of the Zimbabwe Youth in Action. You nailed it.
Tiradzeka wachachoka tikangoonere mukezi busa yakanyatsoiona yaoneke mugirazi Tony. Okay. Oh! Rolex.
So the best thing that I learned from this graduation party, I've seen the young guys, the kids were so happy and they were so inspired to see their brother, their uncle, like having achieved such a great thing. That was so good, and you can see the party was hugely dominated by the young guys who are yet to go to the university. So yes, I would encourage you guys to just do something that is inspirational to the kids so that they can actually learn the good example from you.